Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Give us a call or text today with all your mortgage questions and needs over at 832-859-4144. A question that came across my desk last week was, am I able to use child support income payments if they are paid to me on a voluntary basis? And the answer is yes and no. It really depends on the specific loan program that you're interested in. If you're planning on going conventional, these are loans that are backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the answer is no. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac actually require that you have a divorce decree and a court order clearly stating how much the payments are going to be every month. It also needs to be stating that there's a continuance of 3 years. You have to have at least a 6-month history of payments received. And lastly, you cannot have any cash coming in, right? It's got to be in the form of bank statements, canceled checks, money orders, or Zelle, anything where we can source the actual payments. Now, for some of you that do have these voluntary agreements, maybe the divorce hasn't been finalized, and this is just an agreement that you and your ex are currently having, we can still use the payments. However, in this situation, we just have to flip you over to what's called an FHA loan, okay? So these are loans that are backed by HUD, and HUD, what they actually do is they require a few things on the voluntary agreement as well. So once again, we gotta make sure there's a continuance of 3 years. We gotta make sure it clearly lists how much the monthly payments are going to be. Now, on this particular one, HUD though does require that you have at least a 12-month history of payments received. And lastly, we can't do anything in cash, right? So it's got to be either bank statements, cash, canceled checks, money orders, or Zelle payments. So anything where, again, where we can source this income and make sure we know where it's coming from and where it's going to. So folks, if this applies to you, if you have any other questions, we have underwriters waiting to answer all your questions here. Give us a call or text today over at 832-859-4144. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.